अगर आप एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हो तो आपने बहुत सारी खबरें देखी होंगी अराउंड कंपनीज लेइंग ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज। हर तरह की कंपनी आजकल एम्प्लॉइज को ले ऑफ कर रही है। ऐसे में यू माइट फील अफ्रेड अबाउट the opportunities that you can have when you graduate out of college, but this video is going to change that forever. In this one I'll be talking about 7 most paid jobs in India. 7 highly paid jobs with job security as well as an exponential career growth. We'll talk about each of these job roles, इसमें आपको क्या काम करना होता है, and we'll also be talking about आप कौन से courses use करके इसके बारे में सीख सकते हो. So if you are excited about working in a high paying job in India, make sure that you drop a fire emoji in the comments below. Number 7 से start करते हुए 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 तक जाएंगे, तो make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Starting with number 7, this one is going to be management consultant. With an average salary of 11.49 lakhs per annum, management consultants focus on solving problems for the organization, boost the performance and maximize growth for the company. अब बात करते हैं कि consultants को hire कौन करता है। तो there are consulting companies like McKinsey & Co, EY, Deloitte, BCG and many more. इनका काम क्या होता है? They basically work with their clients and they will assign you a project in which you work with the company and you help them organize the strategy, structure and help them perform better, solve a problem that they are facing in their industry. अब वैसे तो आपको BBA करना पड़ता है in finance, accounting, economics and other domains to get into this role, but आज की डेट में बहुत सारे BTech graduates भी consulting roles के अंदर जा रहे हैं. मेरा खुद का दोस्त है who was doing a BTech in chemical and recently he got his job to work in the Big Four as a consultant. So if you're interested in working with companies and helping them solve problems in their domains, then this can be a great job for you. बहुत सारे perks भी होते हैं. You get to travel around the world, you get to live in 5-star hotels and you get to have a very busy life. बहुत सारे videos हैं that you can watch on YouTube about a day in the life of a management consultant and they can get paid a lot as well. Like if you start getting that experience in the next 4, 5, 6 years, you can be making a ton of money as you can see on the screen. But as a graduate, as a fresher, you can expect to be making about 7 to 8 lakhs per annum, but your salary will increase as your experience increases as well. I did one podcast with Ritik Mehlawat about the life of a management consultant. जाके देखो उस वीडियो को if you're interested about this domain and get started in this field. अब आपको Coursera पे मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग के ऊपर एक एमरॉय यूनिवर्सिटी से एक कोर्स मिल जाएगा that you can do and you can learn about exactly what happens in this field and how can you find opportunities for the same. इस कोर्स को आप ऑडिट कर सकते हो by just clicking on enroll for free and click on audit this course and you can learn everything. You will just not be able to get the certificate. ठीक है, that is the 7th most paid job. Let's talk about the 6th most paid job and this is product management. With an average salary of 14.4 lakhs per annum, product management एक rapidly growing space है जहां पर आपको काम करना होगा on launching the product, on the strategy for the product as well as for the features जो उस product के अंदर जा रहे होंगे in a company. Now this role was popularized by Amazon and आजकल की सारी major tech companies के अंदर ये role बहुत important रहता है. So if you want to work in this role, you can expect yourself to be working in companies like Ola, Uber, Google, Microsoft, Amazon and many other tech companies. मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं who are currently working as a PM and in their college time they were basically creating case studies of every product that they could find around them. Everything from the design, the marketing strategy and the features. They used to dissect everything of that product and create a pitch deck around it. Ki this is the case study of Tinder. This is a case study of, for example, Swiggy. So if you are interested to learn about all of these things, you can check out the Google Project Management course which is available for completely free. Grow with Google का एक initiative है that you can sign up for. उसमें भी आप कोर्स को ऑडिट कर सकते हो Coursera पे and you can enroll and you can learn everything that a product manager does in their time span. Now talking about the 5th most in-demand job in India and that is of a full stack engineer. Now if you work as a full stack developer in Indian startups, you can expect yourself to be making anywhere around 15 to 18 lakhs per annum, which is amazing for a fresher. Full stack डेवलपर की जॉब इज हाईली इन डिमांड क्योंकि इसमें यू आर द पर्सन हु वर्क्स बोथ एज द बैक एंड and the front end engineer, right? You take roles of both the front end and the back end. So you basically help develop the complete site, the complete app of a product, right? So you will always be in demand as long as companies want to release products. As a full stack developer, the most popular technology you can learn right now has to be React for the front end, React.js for creating single page applications, as well as learning about Node, Express and handling the whole backend. इसको बोलते हैं MERN stack engineer, right? MERN का मतलब क्या होता है? MERN. M stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express.js, R stands for React and N stands for Node. Basically, you are the one handling the front end with React, the server with the help of Node and Express, and you're also handling a database using MongoDB. I have done plenty of videos with people who are full stack developers working in top tech companies and making a lot of money. So check out the links in the description or over here to learn more about how can you get into this role, what technologies you need to learn, कितना time लगेगा आपको सीखने के लिए, and then at the end how can you find opportunities as well. So make sure that you hit the like button as well if you are liking this video so far. एक और अच्छी बात full stack developer की ये है that you don't particularly need to be from computer science background. मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं who are coming from electrical engineering background, who are coming from mechanical, civil या फिर chemical, and they're able to get jobs as a full stack developer and making a lot of money doing so. So this is a great field for you to go into, and the demand for this will be ever green. Let's look at the trends, right? So every company right now wants to launch AI tools, which means that they will need to build a front end and a back end for the AI tool as well, which means that there is going to be a need of full stack developer. इससे पहले Web3 and blockchain का wave था, in which companies required to launch these tools for which again they would require full stack developers. अगर आपने आज full stack development के बारे में सीख लिया ना, you will always be required, you will always be in demand. Full stack development सीखने के लिए बहुत सारे courses हैं available that you can take advantage of. मैंने personally सीखा था Angela Yu का Udemy course से, that you can see on your screen right now. 400-500 का course था and I learned everything about full stack development. अगर आपको वो नहीं करना है तो here are some channels on the screen that you can watch and you can learn full stack development for free, and you can become a highly paid developer. The fourth highest paid job is that of a blockchain developer. जी हाँ, even after the meltdown of the crypto market, blockchain developers get paid a lot because of the underlying technology and the use cases of it. बहुत सारे कंपनीज, both private as well as government companies, are trying to look for ways to cut the middleman, reduce costs, to deploy blockchain technology to create a more robust platform. अब इसकी average salary is about 10 lakhs per annum, but if you can work in crypto startups, in Web3 startups, you can expect yourself to be making anywhere between 35 to 50 lakhs per annum. I have made a video with a blockchain developer about exactly आपको कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी सीखनी होंगी, आप कहाँ से उनको सीख सकते हो, एंड आप कहाँ से अपॉर्चुनिटीज ले सकते हो एज अ ब्लॉकचेन डेवलपर. सो प्लीज गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड in this field and you want to start out. बहुत सारे लोगों ने वो वीडियो देखी है and they started their career as a blockchain developer and they are getting paid a lot in the field. Free Codecamp चैनल पर एक बहुत अच्छा वीडियो है on blockchain development, around 26-24 hours का वो वीडियो है that you can watch and you can learn everything about blockchain development and you can get started in this field today itself. I don't know about cryptocurrencies, but blockchain technology is here to stay because of how helpful it is for data handling, data security and many other fields. The third most in-demand job in India is that of a machine learning engineer या फिर machine learning expert with an average salary of about 15 to 18 lakhs per annum in Indian startups. Machine learning is a skill that will help you a lot in this coming decade just because of the advancements happening right now, right? Be it computer vision, be it natural language processing, be it any other domain. As we all know, machine learning algorithms are now used in pretty much every domain out there. Everything from law to self-driving cars to robots in factories and industrial power plants. AI and ML is all around us, and you need to learn this skill to be relevant in the next 10 to 20 years right now. To become a machine learning engineer, you first start out with a language like Python, then learn about packages and libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, NumPy, and then you can start using powerful libraries like Google's TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and many more. I have made videos with machine learning engineers, and I've also made videos sharing the amazing free resources that you can use online to learn about machine learning. So go check out both of those videos if you want to learn more about this. But machine learning का CS50 पर एक amazing playlist है that you can watch, and you can learn everything that there is to know in this field and start your journey as a machine learning engineer. The second most in-demand job in India is that of a data scientist. Now again, this is different from machine learning engineer. In the case of a data scientist, you would be working in creating data sets and finding out data that is relevant for your project and for what you would want to achieve. The average salary is about 11 to 13 lakhs per annum, but experienced people in data science can make as much as 50 to 70 lakhs per annum as well. Every company these days is accumulating a lot of data for their users, and they need someone to make sense of it all. If you are a data scientist, you would basically be accumulating all the data that a company has for their users and come up with results, conclusions that, okay, if this user is using this feature these many times, this is what it basically means, and this is how we can optimize this so that people use this feature even more. You would need strong foundation in computer science, programming, data analysis, probability and statistics to be able to become a great data scientist. Free code camp पे आपको data science का बहुत अच्छा एक crash course मिल जाएगा that you can go through and you can start learning about this field and get opportunities as well. And of course, I have done videos with people who are data scientists working in top tech companies, so you can watch those as well if you want to learn what is it like to work as a data scientist in top tech companies as well. But I think it's a great field to get into if you want to make a lot of money and if you want to be relevant for the next 10 to 20 years in the job world. अब बात करते हैं about the most in-demand job in India, and that is of an AI engineer with an average salary of about 15 to 20 lakhs and Google paying anywhere between 22 lakhs to even 1 crore per year to a AI engineer. As an AI engineer, you would basically be working with the business side of the company, understanding their requirements and their needs, and then using that to design and create models and softwares that satisfy those requirements and needs. You need to be great at understanding machine learning as well as understanding the business requirements, and then using all of it to create softwares that help progress the business forward. You need to be a great communicator for this role as well. So if you are interested in both of these domains, then AI engineer is a job that you can get started in. After the launch of ChatGPT and generative AI models, a ton of companies want to hire AI engineers who can basically integrate generative AI into their software and make life easier and save time for everyone out there. To start in this field, you need to check out this one AI and prompt engineering short course by Andrew Ng. And once you go through this free course, then you can start learning about machine learning and also learning about generative AI and large language models. And then you can start working and interviewing for these companies and make a lot of money doing so. Which of these professions do you want to get into? Let me know below in the comment section. Please share this video with a friend of yours. Tag me on social at Ishan Sharma 7390. That is all from me today. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.